Girlfriend, have you ever wondered how to download a YouTube thumbnail? Well, we're going to get to the bottom of this in today's video. We'll see you on the other side. My name is Ingafay, and I am an authenticity strategist. And in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to download a YouTube video from someone else's channel. Now, I'm sure you have been on interviews or done different collaborations with your fellow colleagues, and you want to be able to have the thumbnail, but you don't want to necessarily have to wait on them to give it to you. So we're going to show you exactly how to do this. Now, one of the things I want to recommend that you do is you got to have the YouTube video link. So you want to make sure that you have that first and foremost. So what I'm going to do is share my screen, and we're going to go to another window. I'll cut and paste this YouTube link in. So we'll go here. Okay, so now let's go to a video that I have on my YouTube channel, and this is it here. Okay, so this is the YouTube video. So now that we have the YouTube video, we have the link to actually get the YouTube video, which is what it is behind the equal sign. So now that we have that link, we are now going to go back to StreamYard, and I'm going to unshare my screen, and I'm going to show you the actual YouTube link that you want to make sure that you have when it comes to doing this. So it's going to be this image, youtube.com, then the video ID. So you may think, well, what is the video ID? So when we're looking at this video that I just looked at over on the other screen, I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see what I'm talking about. We'll go back to the shared screen tab. I'll share my screen. I'll show you the video. We're going to go back here. This is the YouTube video ID here. And the numbers after the backslash are the video ID. So if I want the thumbnail for this video, I'm going to grab that video ID and put it inside this link. So when I do that, it's going to actually look like this. And when I put it inside the link like that, then I'm able to get this because it has the video ID that I wanted in that place. It originally started off as this, and because I took the video ID from the original video and put it in the video ID's place, which is here, I am now able to get the thumbnail. And then I can now download this thumbnail by saving the image here. The video ID is right behind the equal sign. So you'll use that video ID. It's probably about 6 to 8 characters. You cut and paste that in, and then you're able to actually get the thumbnail that you then can download to your computer and then be able to put in another file or on your blog or wherever you want to use it for future use. Now, I hope this was a benefit to you. And of course, if you have any questions, just comment below so I can help you out. Okay, now go try this, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.